Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to correctly submit expenses on Expensify. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to capture and upload receipts. So using the Expensify mobile app or web interface, capture clear photos of your receipts or invoices. Make sure the details on the receipts are legible and include all necessary information such as the vendor, date and total amount. You can upload the receipts directly from your device or connect Expensify to your email to automatically import receipts. The next step is to categorize expenses, so assign appropriate categories to each expense to accurately classify them. Expensify provides default categories, but you can customize them to match your specific needs. Assigning the correct category ensures that expenses are properly organized and reported in accordance with your organization's expense policies. The next step is to enter expense details. So manually enter the relevant details for each expense, such as the date, vendor, amount, and any additional notes. Double check the accuracy of the information to avoid errors or discrepancies. Expensify OCR technology may automatically extract some of this information from the uploaded receipts and yeah, but try to review it for accuracy. The next step is to submit an expense report. So once you have entered and reviewed all of your expenses, group them into an expense report. Select the expenses you want to include in the report and assign a name or description to it. Ensure that the report reflects the appropriate time period or purpose. You can add any necessary comments or explanations for your approver's reference. The last step is to submit for approval. So submit the expense report for approval by following the prompts in Expensify. Depending on your organization's workflow, you may need to select an approver, or report may be automatically routed to designated approver. Expensify allows you to add comments or notes when submitting the report to provide any additional context. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.